Okay, now in case you're wondering, yes, I can use the table saw to cut these. I just use a miter. Of course, get all this nonsense out of the way, and then just zoom, 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 run them through. But this works better because we're moving the blade across the piece of wood, and the blade on these arms is much more stable than trying to move a long piece of wood held against one point. It's kind of all wobbly, and you get a better, straighter cut. It's preference, really. But so we're just going to chop on the lines and chop these into thirds. Get that out of the way. Get our stuff out of the way so we have the half decently organized space. Release our safety lock. Blade guard is always in place. So, take our board, line up our blade, and away we go. And this is just a lot quicker, quieter to work to. Drop it right on the line. Blade guard is there, so that's all nice and safe. Right on the line. And in case you're wondering, keeping my thumb that far away from the cut. So I don't want to go anywhere near that. It's nuts. I like my fingers. Line it up. This lovely miter saw is something that Dad bought. Kind of going a little bit overboard for how much we use it, but it is very nice to have, so thanks. Four more pieces. So, got a bit of a stack going already. Put those there. A little bit more out of the way. I cut lots. I wanted to have lots extra. That way, when it comes time to build the form and lay it out, I'm not kind of stuck with too few pieces. And yes, there is a thumb safety switch, so it won't work without you pressing that switch too. Safety. It's good for keeping all these intact. As well as paying attention to what you're doing, watching what you're doing, keeping your things a good distance away from that sharp, fast spinning blade. That'll take them off in the blink of an eye. And operating the machinery properly. and for God's sake, don't take off the safety equipment. God. All right. Stack of blanks. Trace it out on every single one. Bye.